Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 24th through July 8th. First, I'm going to talk about the current drought situation. Very dry here across this area here, and also parts of the Northern Rockies, and this should continue. And there's a little hope going into July, but it's a small hope, and I'll show you that a little bit. We're going to look at the forecast period for June 24th to 28th. And we have a region that builds into Western Canada above normal heights here. An upper low remain offshore. And we also have a ridge here over the North Atlantic. And we have a trough that extends south from Hudson Bay into the Ohio Valley, Mississippi Valley, parts of the east. The region in the west will continue to cause hot temperatures, and this with anomalies at 15 to 30 degrees across the northwest and the northern Rockies. And a cold front will push eastward. We're going to look at that at the surface. This cold front here will push east through the east central states with several waves moving along it, and this will cause rain, which can be locally heavy at times. We're going to take a look at the period for July 29th to the 3rd. And a ridge forecast over Western Canada and the West, and also the North Atlantic. And a trough is forecast in the central states. Right here, you can see, here's our trough. So models are pretty good agreement with this if you look at the various models here. Still remaining very warm across this area. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here, and anomalies could be near 12 degrees in some locations. I have here 112. I'll change that when I put on the website. Of up to 12 degrees above normal. This would be across mainly the dry areas of the west. And also we have above normal temperatures here. They'll be lower, probably 4 to 6 or something like that across the northeast. And we have below normal temperatures for this region here with anomalies near 2 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Is this the right map? Yep. Probability of occurrence is 35%. See, it's not as high as it was on previous forecasts, going up to 45% across this area here. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for July 4th to the 8th. And most of the models show a flattening of the flow with above normal heights, something like this across much of the country, except for the GFS, which continues to have a trough in the middle of the country. So for now, I'm going for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here from the Pacific coast into the Mississippi Valley, but the anomalies could exceed 10 degrees above normal, mainly across this area here again. And for precipitation, remaining dry here, probability of occurrence is 35%, still low though, so there's still a chance. That's why I was hesitant. I was going to put near normal, but for now I'm going to put below. And above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 24th through July 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.